A Rolex, a Rollout, a Rolex, a Rollout, Rolex. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak. I luxury lover, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick Rolex video. Walking in, accidentally getting a Rollout. Not me though, my best friend. But I'm doing the unboxing because we share everything, and also, why not? And tell you the story and how we got it and all that. So, accidentally walked in and bought a Rolex. My friend accidentally walked in and bought a Rolex. We accidentally walked in and bought a Rolex. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. So, kind of in my whole streak, like just being lucky and like manifesting and everything like that, like everything that I've been wanting. Paris was a great trip, everything like that. This was before Paris, but we were feeling very lucky. I was feeling very lucky because everything was kind of just like aligning and I was whatever, manifesting. And so like, and also I think part of it is how you dress, how you look, everything like that. So we like walked in to go visit our AD, to go visit our regular AD, who actually had apparently left and we had texted him a few times and apparently he's no longer there. So we walked in, found out he wasn't there, but dressed nicely, bags in hand, all the whole thing. And I think that as much as it's silly, it plays a factor, literally plays a factor when you're shopping at other, like I feel like it plays a factor at other brands too. Every time I go and shop and I dress up nice and are wearing nice clothes, wearing a nice bag, it helps. So we were dressed up nicely. We walked in and just were like, hey, we just wanted to come check in. He wasn't there. So we got introduced to a new person, took us and showed us a couple things. And we were like, do you have anything available today? And the new person was like, I happen to have this available, just came in this morning. Do you want to see it? And we're like, yes, let's see it. And so I feel like it was just like luck, timing, and everything like that. Also, basically, I guess it got in the morning and they can't hold anything. Like right after we saw it, there was another guy that came in who was getting another watch, and he had just gotten a watch and they wouldn't let him get two because he was like, I would have gotten that if I could get two. He was there before us, and then there was another guy, two other guys that came literally 5 minutes after us. And I felt kind of bad because they had driven, I guess, all the way from Santa Barbara to come get this watch. But like, my friend already like had tried it on by this point, and 5 minutes after us. They came like 5 minutes before we were leaving. Whatever, but they came like 5-10 minutes after us. So I guess they were like, by the time we had seen it and my friend had decided to get it, they walked in and, well, they walked in while he was trying it on. And then when he decided to take it, it was like shit out of luck for them, which I feel really bad about because whatever, but I guess that's how it is. They can't hold anything. Anyway, this is it. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. But yeah, so I guess I don't know how this game works. I don't know if like it's like luck and chance and like right place, right time, or if you actually do have to wait. But it is a beautiful sub date with the new 2024 blue dial and gold and oyster steel. It's really nice. I'm really actually kind of jealous, but I know I can wear it and borrow it whenever I want, which is kind of nice. And yeah, this will be a very short video, but basically, yeah, we walked in, got it, and then we made a wish list for what else we want down the line with this new person who was very nice, very helpful. I'm not sure that the whole game is actually like, it's like, I think it's just like, because I have another story, I'll do another video about, we went to AP House too, as well for an AP, and got offered, like, it was like, it really is a connection and how you feel like connecting with a person, kind of like Hermes, connecting with a person and then connecting with the brand, and then how you present yourself, because the same thing happened at AP House, and I'll tell that story in another video. But we walked out with an AP. My friend did. I'm not big on watches. I like my 1-2 watches that I have. I don't love getting like a billion watches, more on bags, and I can also borrow his watches. Yeah, I don't know. If you have more questions about it, let me know in the comments below. I don't really know. I can't even do this video properly because I don't even know how much to talk about watches, but it was just like right place, right time. We walked in and we got it. Like it was like not even, it's crazy. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable and it is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.